Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Doge. So, if you don't know this game is called Bow, and it is simple. And I'm kinda already played this game sometime. See, I get some stuff. So, I am gonna show you guys something very funny to do. Okay, this mode, I don't know what I call this tester, but we're just gonna load it up. This is it. There we go. This, like, like, what is this? Right? Yeah, you don't know how to use this, right? Because, wait, I need to write. Okay. You're like, what is this? This thing look bad, right? But that's kind of lot. Okay, that's kind of lot. Okay, this is how you use it. You launch and press the thruster. See, wait, shoot, I forgot to. Um, uh, um, uh, uh, okay, we don't need to talk about that. Okay, it's broken because I'm not at this. I need to join it. Let me join. Give me join. Let me join. Let me join. Yeah. Nope, you don't let me. But we're just gonna build some thingy and thingy-bob. Okay, first we need a bunch of chair. Wait, there we go. First, I don't actually remember how I built this, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay, we need cake. Okay, Miss Cake. So if you already played this game, do you know the egg event, the that event? You will get parachute if you play that event. You will know the parachute. Parachute's kind of good. Not gonna know why it is good. Wait, so this now the cake sound bottle, and then okay, we put it there. Okay, now we need a jetpack. Okay, jetpack. Okay. Okay, nice. Now it's done. It's pretty simple, right? Just fly very high enough. And oh shoot. Oh, I think I make it wrong. Oh no. Okay, where the jet back and now. Okay, I think we can. Okay, I think I just broke it. Wait. Okay. We need parachute. Sorry for that. Sorry. Oh. Okay. No parachute. Oops. I mean parachute, not parakeet. I don't mean that. Okay. Let's walk. Okay. I don't know why I put that, but okay, we just need jetpack. Okay, nice. Oh yeah, this is the other thing you can get. There is the jetpack, and also where's the thingy-bob? So there we go. Good. Egg cannon. It is pretty simple to use. You just like yeet yourself. Eat this thing. Okay, let's use this. Okay, fly. See? Now we have a jetpack. Oh. Okay, we don't need to talk about that. Let's go to other room. Let's see, what do we get? Oh It's kinda good, not gonna lie. You may think, how do you use it? What is this? And then like, what the is this? What the heck? So this thing's like shooting thingy like, but I always use this. Where is it? That I need titanium ball. Titanium. Oh, what the heck is this? Okay, it fly, right? And I just make it fly. But we can. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, we can actually, if you press this button, yay! You see that? I shoot that. Wait, I'm just gonna this. Then we put this here. We just make it fly. Have fun. What is this? Fun. Okay. I think this thing is pretty big. Okay, this is not actually working. But we can like, oh no, I just make this and I didn't fall it. It is falling, right? Okay. We need to put ammo under it. Ammo. Yes, some goodies ammo. Okay. Okay, we ready the ammo. Now we just have to have some fun. Oh. Okay, sit. Okay. Yay! Kind of fun. Give me more ammo. Oh, it's not working. I think we just have to. First, we make it fall like that, like that. Oh, we can actually shoot this much. I didn't know that. Yay! What the? Okay, that's kind of sad. Yay! I don't know why I can't move it around, but it's fine. I'm gonna like use other things. So if you guys know how to defeat the dragon, you guys can tell me. Like, it is pretty hard to do it. Okay. I think we're just gonna get this thing. But oh my god, we need to be at this guy place. Wait, I'm just gonna back one. Wait. A minute. Oh my god. I'm gonna close this chat so nothing is sus. So just let me be in your team. I wanna be in your team. If you don't let me be in the team, I'm just gonna put something for myself that is super good. Yes. Okay, he's not letting me. Okay. We're gonna found the glitch. I know this thing is kinda sus. But we just need glue. If you guys have glue, you have to make these things. Yeah, thing. I don't know why I put the candy there. There, that thing. Oh no. Go glue make us like you need this thingy and just put it there. Super easy, dude. And you don't need to use gold block. You can just other block, but I just use block because yeah, it's stronger and bigger. Oh, I'm not flexing, okay? We're gonna catch up this guy. Okay. Hey guys, bye bye. He's like, what the? He's like, what the heck? Oh, I almost touched one of that note. Okay, I think this is. I think I fly too high. This thing let me have a bunch of gold and just like being rich. Press it. And boom. Now we are rich. Dance for the riches. What the? Wait. This. Oh my god. But it's fine. Okay, I think this is. Oh, what the? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? I think I messed it up. I need to go slow so it can work. Bam! Oh, there we go. Oh yes. Boom, bam, bam, pam, pow, shibli, pow. Go, go. Oh no, I'm bugging. Go, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh shit. Okay. Go, 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 go. Faster than lightning. Oh no, please don't touch the glue. Don't touch the glue. What the? Oh, that's the boat thing I bought. But it's longer, I guess. Go, go, go. Oh no, 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 no. What the? What happened? This don't make no sense, dude. We still get some money. I wanna get this thing, and then we're gonna get this thing. So be right back. Okay, nice. We got 2,000 there. Okay, now we got it for 500. Be right back. So guys, I'm just grinding, and I just get 15 gigas. This guy just came here low, and we just having some fun. Okay, I'm just gonna check them low. Low. I think we're just gonna turn this. I think we should not grind. I'm gonna turn. Turn. We're gonna. Sorry if it's soccer ball. Okay. Okay, kita. Okay. 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 Okay, we're gonna boom, bam, pouch. Should be. Wait, I did. Boom, sans, pow, bam. Oops. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay, boom, bam. Oh, attack. Okay. Need to make the as fast as we can. Okay, now. Okay, nice. Okay. Oops. No. There. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 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 We done building. Did it go on? Ball. We're gonna turn this. Okay. Okay, ready, do it. Gotta be ready. Okay. Uh, wait. Wait. We need candy so we can easily. Okay, we're gonna turn. Okay, we're gonna turn that. Okay. Oh, okay, we can defend. Okay, this is kind of fun. Not down online. Okay, you're gonna go, you're gonna for it. You're gonna go for it, dude? You're gonna go for it? You wanna go for it? Okay, you're gonna go for it, dude? Okay, I'm ready. Good, fine. Okay, fine. No! Nice! Okay, that was kind of fun. So I think this is gonna be super fun. Okay, come on. I'm ready. Huh? Okay, he's gonna shoot. 3, 2, go! Okay, he's gonna go. Okay, he's going for it. Oh, okay. Okay, we did it. We have to defend this thing. Okay. Sign. Nope. We have to defend it. You're not gonna let you. Okay, come on. Faster. You're not gonna get this. Come on. You can't get it. I'm too fast and I'm too good. Oh no. I don't know. I can't do that because I'm not too pro. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on. During a grinding goal. Okay, we're gonna turn. Okay, I didn't get it. What is saying? What do you mean, dude? Okay. Playing game. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I made this sometime one day, but it is pretty fun to use it. Okay. Yeah, take me okay, come on. You got this. Oh, this thinking about. Wait, let me write. Let me write it. I wanna write it. Write it. Okay, where is it? Test so you're gonna load it up. Okay, I'm ready. Go! Dude, he's so fast. What? I beat him. Okay. We got it. We got this. Oh, the song just goes at the time and literally at this time. Oh no! Oh shoot! I survived. I'm gonna do. I survived. Yes. Good. Yeah, put one balloon for celebrate. Yeah, boy, we did it, boy. Time for that bug. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. So I guess this is for the video. So wait, my hand is gone. So I guess this is a bye. So bye.